Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to make chicken rezala in restaurant style at home in a very easy way. So let's get started. First, we will need chicken, edible oil, ginger, garlic and green chili paste, dried cinnamon, bay leaf, garam masala, black pepper, salt, sugar, cashew nut and yogurt paste, onion paste, and ghee. Now let's start. Once the frying pan gets heated a little bit, we will add the edible oil and ghee. After the ghee melts in the pan, we'll add bay leaf, dried cinnamon, garam masala, and black pepper one by one. Now we'll mix them well. Now we will have to add the onion paste to it and fry it a little. After frying it for a few minutes, we will add the ginger, garlic, chili paste to it. Then we will mix it well and keep it on flame for a little bit. Now when the oil starts to separate a little from the mixture, we will have to add salt as per our requirement. Now we will add the chicken pieces to it and mix them well with the mixture. We will fry it for a few minutes. Then we add water to this mixture and mix it pretty well. Then we will cover the pan and keep it for some time. We will let the chicken boil properly by keeping it on flame. After boiling for about 10 minutes, we will add the cashew nut yogurt paste to it. Then we will add sugar as per our requirement. Then we will mix them well, and when the gravy becomes a bit thick, we will add garam masala to it. Our chicken rezala is now ready. You can try it with roti, paratha or fried rice as per your choice. Please hit the like button if you like this video. Comment down all your suggestions for the next video. Share this video with friends and family. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Please follow us on Instagram. The link is in the description below. Check out this recipe in Bengali. The link is in the description. See you in the next video.